Have you ever wondered when a woman's sexual desire reaches its peak? It's a question that's intrigued scientists, psychologists, and curious minds alike for years. Today, we're diving into this captivating subject, seeking to shed light on the complex interplay between age and female sexual desire. Understanding women's psychology is like unlocking a fascinating treasure chest filled with insights about their emotions, thoughts, and desires. It's an intricate tapestry woven with threads of hormones, emotional connections, physical attractions, and so much more. So why focus on the age at which a woman's sexual desire peaks? Well, it's not just about satisfying curiosity. It's about gaining a deeper understanding of significant aspect of a woman's life. An aspect that, despite its importance, is often shrouded in mystery and misconception. As we navigate through this labyrinth of female desire, we hope to dispel myths and foster understanding. So stay tuned to understand more about this fascinating topic. First, we need to understand the unique aspects of women's psychology. This understanding will shed light on the complexity and depth of women's desires, including the intriguing topic of sexual desire. Let's delve into the key aspects of women's psychology, starting with communication styles. Women typically express themselves in a more emotionally nuanced manner compared to men. They use language not only to convey information, but also to build and maintain relationships. This highly relational approach to communication can influence how women express and experience their desires, including sexual desire. Next, let's consider emotional intelligence. Women on average tend to have higher emotional intelligence than men. They are often more skilled at recognizing and understanding their own emotions and those of others. This emotional acuity can play a significant role in shaping a woman's sexual desire, as it can enhance their ability to connect with their partners on a deeper, more intimate level. Now, let's talk about perception. Women's perception of the world is often shaped by their experiences and societal expectations. From a young age, women are often taught to prioritize the needs of others, which can influence how they perceive and navigate their own desires. This societal conditioning can sometimes lead to a disconnect between a woman's true desires and her outward expression of them. Lastly, it's important to mention that women's psychology is not a monolith. Each woman's psychology is as unique as her fingerprint, shaped by her own unique set of experiences, beliefs, and values. This uniqueness can also influence how and when a woman's sexual desire peaks. And there you have it. We've explored some key aspects of women's psychology: communication styles, emotional intelligence, and perception. These factors can significantly influence a woman's sexual desire, adding layers of complexity to an already intricate topic. With this understanding, we can delve deeper into the age at which a woman's sexual desire peaks. So stay tuned for more insights as we continue to explore this fascinating topic. There are several factors that play a role in a woman's sexual desire. Just like any other aspect of human behavior, sexual desire in women is multifaceted, influenced by a host of interconnected elements. At the core of it, we have the biological aspect, primarily dictated by hormones. As women go through different stages in life, their hormonal levels fluctuate, influencing their sexual desires. For instance, during ovulation, when the levels of estrogen and testosterone are high, women may experience an increased sexual desire. Next, we have the emotional factor. For many women, the emotional connection they share with their partner heavily influences their sexual desire. A strong emotional bond can enhance their desire, while discord or emotional distress can dampen it. This is why open communication and emotional intimacy are often key elements in a woman's sexual satisfaction. Physical attraction too plays a significant role. It's not just about how their partner looks, but also how they feel about their own bodies. Body image and self-esteem can greatly impact a woman's sexual desire. When a woman feels confident and comfortable in her own skin, she's more likely to experience a higher sexual desire. On the other hand, negative body image can lead to a decreased desire. Stress is another major player. High stress levels can dampen a woman's sexual desire, while moments of relaxation and peace can enhance it. This is why many women report feeling more sexually aroused during vacations or after a relaxing activity. Lastly, let's not forget about the societal and cultural factors. The messages women receive about sexuality from their culture, religion, or society can greatly impact their sexual desire. Positive messages can contribute to a healthier sexual desire, while negative or conflicting messages can lead to confusion or decreased desire. Now that we understand these factors, we can explore when a woman's sexual desire peaks. These factors are not set in stone. They ebb and flow as women navigate through different stages of life, leading to changes in sexual desire. So let's delve into the intriguing world of age and women's sexual desire. So when does a woman's sexual desire reach its peak? This is a question that has sparked much curiosity and debate. Let's delve into the research findings. To demystify this aspect of female sexuality, the age of which a woman's sexual desire peaks is not set in stone, and it varies greatly among individuals. However, several studies suggest that on average, women reach their sexual peak in their mid-30s. This might be surprising to some, as we often associate the peak of sexual desire with youth. But female sexuality is complex and influenced by a myriad of factors, both physiological and psychological. Physiologically, women's bodies undergo significant hormonal changes in their 30s. These changes can lead to an increase in sexual desire. Additionally, many women in their 30s are more comfortable with their bodies and have a better understanding of their own desires and preferences, which can contribute to heightened sexual desire. However, it's worth noting that this age range is an average, and there's a wide spectrum of individual experiences. For some women, their sexual desire might peak in their 20s, while others might experience this in their 40s or even later. Factors such as relationship status, stress levels, overall health, and life experiences can all play a role in influencing a woman's sexual peak. Also, it's important to remember that sexual desire doesn't necessarily diminish after the so-called peak. Many women continue to have fulfilling sexual lives well beyond their mid-30s. In fact, some studies suggest that women's sexual satisfaction might actually increase with age, as they gain more confidence and knowledge about their own sexuality. So while the mid-30s are often cited as the time when women's sexual desire peaks, this is by no means a universal truth. Female sexuality is diverse and multifaceted, and it's influenced by a complex interplay of biological, psychological, and socio-cultural factors. While this is the general trend, it's essential to remember that individual experiences can differ. Every woman is unique, and her sexual journey will reflect her individuality. No single age can define the peak of a woman's sexual desire. It's a deeply personal and individual experience. Let's not forget, every woman is unique. As we delve deeper into this fascinating world of female psychology, it becomes abundantly clear that individual differences play a crucial role. when discussing women's sexual desire. Just as no two snowflakes are alike, every woman's experience of her sexuality is distinct and personally unique. It's impossible to paint every woman's sexual desire with the same broad brush, as it's influenced by a myriad of factors that go beyond age. Take personal experiences. For instance, a woman's past encounters and relationships can significantly shape her sexual desire. A woman who has had positive sexual experiences may have a heightened sense of desire, while negative experiences may lead to a decrease. The interplay of past experiences and current perceptions of sexuality can create a complex, ever-changing landscape of desire. Then there's the cultural background. Cultural norms, societal expectations, and religious beliefs can all impact how a woman perceives and experiences her sexual desire. In some cultures, women's sexual desire is celebrated, while in others it may be suppressed or stigmatized. Understanding the cultural context is crucial to appreciate the intricacies of a woman's sexual desire. Physical health is another key player. Conditions like hormonal imbalances or chronic illnesses can affect a woman's sexual desire. Even the natural changes that occur with age, such as menopause, can alter a woman's sexual desire. It's essential to keep in mind that physical health is not just about the absence of disease, but also about overall well-being. In conclusion, a woman's peak sexual desire. Age is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a dynamic, multifaceted phenomenon that can fluctuate throughout a woman's life, shaped by personal experiences, cultural background, and physical health. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of women's psychology. Remember, understanding is the first step towards empathy and respect.